how about you, darling? Go sit down there. So that we are full. We are full. We are full. I have fall-in line clients. After vacation.
After vacation?
I went in Thessaloniki.
When?
Last week.
Oh, okay. How was it?
2 days. 3 days. Last week. Today is Tuesday. Last
You went 3 days only, Tita?
We traveled Sunday night and we arrived there last week Monday morning. And then we stayed there until Wednesday.
With the children?
Yes po. It's very nice. It's very beautiful in Thessaloniki.
No, I've been there.
The tourist spots are very close. All walking distance.
Small kasi.
Ne, and if you want in the mountain, you just go up, going up from the beach to go up, and then if you want in the beach, you come down. That's it. It's very nice, and it's not expensive. The food are
The same.
no, it's cheaper than here. Ne, cheaper. Their club sandwich there are €8 and it's big portion. And here is €14 to €16. Diba? The club sandwich. And it's for everyone. And their brunch is very nice. Is there any Yummy Tree here? Yum Tree restaurant? No? Very nice. Their brunch is very...
Saloniki yung Saturday, Alexander.
Doon pa. It's very nature-friendly, the Thessaloniki, really. It's very beautiful. It's worth it. Isa pa dati. Okay. Gupitan ko lang po si Lord.
Okay.
Ella, Lord, it's your turn. Whoa! You are almost the same height! Good job!
Mga bata.
Kaya nga! Sana ko. Thank you, darling. Sana all tall. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Kasi din siya Philos to Vincent.
Yes.
Ate! Elado. 3. Let me take your picture. 1, 2, 3. Smile. Say cheese. Magganon kayo. Etsy. Bravo. That's nice.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. Galing. So, fade. What's your haircut?
Yeah, Tita Fred.
And top?
No,
No.
we're going Italian, bro.
Wow.
Yeah, for...
What? Vacation?
For 9 days.
Ah.
Next week.
Nah, the whole family.
Yep.
Good job. Sana all. How about here?
My pera is gone, Tita.
Nah.
It's gone. From the tickets, from the train tickets.
Everything.
It's gone. No more money.
Where? In Milan?
We will go Rome and then Pompeii and then back to Rome. And then we'll go to Florence. And then we will go to
Train.
Venice.
Good job. It's good. At least 9 days.
It's too
So,
much.
how about there? Zero also.
Yes. We paid all the way.
Bravo.
Sayang, Tita, hindi mo naabutan. Yung documentary namin na ginawa,
Oh.
may showing sa Saloniki for free.
But di mo sinabi.
No, it's for 1 week and it starts tomorrow.
Huh?
Yeah.
I supposed to go. Ne. Nothing here?
Wala. I think in the 21st, but I think
Wow.
tomorrow. Yeah, also tomorrow in Diri.
Giri.
Yeah, in the college.
Send mo na lang yung link pag nasa YouTube video.
Not that he's ano kasi, he doesn't want to release it yet.
Yun lang.
Because he's still competing.
Okay. It's okay. Maybe one day.
A lot of awards na.
The arts. Ha?
It won a lot of awards na.
Really?
Yeah. We won
How
two.
much you earn from
We
that?
won 2 in Berlin.
Really?
Yeah, we won 2 in Berlin, 1 in Milan, and 4 in Thessaloniki.
Wow. That's nice. I want to watch. When they will release here for free?
I will ask the but I'm not sure.
I hope. I will make you fan page. I will make you fan page. At wala kayong intensive
What do you mean?
money? Back
No,
pay
Tita,
natin?
because we did it voluntarily.
Parang ano lang siya.
It's like for credit.
Oo. How about the awarding?
The awarding is for, for example, he gets
Your
awards
school.
and goes to our school.
But I mean, like they will do a victory party in your parts. Like,
Maybe.
Ne.
He will call me naman if it happens.
Ane, you will call me. For free guest. Bravo.
So the premiere was in Athenaeum
Ane.
last year.
Last year.
No, 2 years ago.
2 years ago.
3 years ago.
That's nice. So have you seen someone who saw you in the road and
College kids.
college kids?
Yeah, my age, the people of my
Yeah,
age.
of course, because they watch.
Because they show it in colleges, that's why.
Oh, we need to have selfie together. I will post it. The actor. Give me the thumbnail. I'll post in my Facebook. Your thumbnail in the movie?
Oh,
Yeah. You had the picture, right?
I have it somewhere. I will send it to you.
No.
The poster, Tita,
Yeah, the poster.
that you see,
No.
it's in my house.
Olive, yeah.
We did the photo shoot in my house,
Ano?
in the Taracha.
That one. And who write that script?
There's no scripted,
Hmm?
It's not scripted.
It's not scripted.
No.
You're amazing.
No, we
And
just-
you just do it.
We just take
normal.
cameras and
Ne?
we talk.
Bravo.
It's a documentary kasi.
So how do you know all those information? Nothing?
Whatever you know, Tita.
Okay.
Yeah, it's personal. Like,
Personal.
they ask you questions and you answer them.
Yo, just answer.
Yeah, you just answer them.
Bravo.
Sometimes he would go out with us and he would just take video.
Ne.
No, he told us to ignore him.
Ne. Just like that.
Yeah, because the point of the documentary show the lives of students.
Ne.
So everything we did, everything we talked about, we told
all
us to ignore him like he's not there.
That's good.
We need to be a part of.
Bravo.
That's where you come in.
We had a lot of footage dito. Maraming nakat.
Kinat-cut niya sa dun sa editing na yun.
Yeah, that's the edit. He edited that very many footage
That means
because
he's good.
yeah, Tita, we were filming for 4.5 years.
4.5. What amazing video. He released it for all the students. No.
Yeah.
Magaling. Kasi niya, na-edit niya.
Our ability to protect the public.
Parang inano niya pala pinagsama-sama ng pala. One day, tatawagan kayo, victory party! After 10 years, 5 years, di ba? Malay mo, you are all the guests.
Avoy told me nga, because he has friends for TV, he told me I want to get roles.
Nene.
I told him no. What?
Sesame Street.
Maybe nandun pala yung kapalaran mo.
See what you got. you would like to say you're not sure if you're the guy for this, then honestly, I think that's a good sign. I'm not sure either, but some family believes you can do it, so you got to the end of the day to make up your mind, okay?
Okay.
Nobody, huh? Who just get one of these people here? You mentioned nobody in a good way. You just yesterday.
Ikaw nagbayad dun sa inyo, ano?
Our tickets.
Sa ticket?
Yeah.
Ikaw lahat?
Okay. That makes any sense.
Your money is gone.
Magkano nagastos mo? 1,000.
1,200.
Mura pa yun.
Go for ticket.
Only ticket. You are 4. Diba? Wala yan. Mura pa.
Wala yun.
Slide.
What's the count on you?
Mura pa yun. Mura naman ang ticket nyo. Sa train.
No, the train tickets was Mama's.
Ah, okay.
I paid for the plane tickets.
Mahal din ang train, no?
Yeah, because the plane tickets were
Sa Roma kayo?
very expensive. Yeah, we will land in Rome. And then first day we will stay in Rome. Second day we have a trip to Pompeii. Then we come back to Rome. Stay one more day. Then we go to Florence. After Florence we go to Venice. Then we go home.
You need to go in Milan also. It's there.
Oh, we will. Also Milan, yes, you're right. We will go also go to
After Florence, you're gonna go direct to Milan.
Yeah, because Mama has the itinerary. Not sure. I say only yes.
So,
You cannot do anything, Mama. If she wants to do it, she will.
Comes from a good family, ambitious.
Nothing, okay, Kate?
Coming home? Oh, the look on your face is telling me that the answer is no.
And yes, I
Yeah,
can
that is
hear
very
the look on
nice.
your face.
you have to go also in your castle.
I will. We have book trips. Tours.
Send a hug from me and don't leave your best
Man speech to the last minute.
Wait, bye.
Very good.
I'm in. I'm just home to reserves of James Bond.
Double go fuck yourself.
Exactly.
Normally we put you through a 6-month training program of everything you need to know to be a union agent. But unfortunately we only have 2 weeks, so we're gonna have to do the best we can, Mike.
Any allergies? Any phobias? Heights, spiders, commitment?
No?
How many fingers can you fit inside your anus?
All right, stop.
I'm doing a psychological profile on
Now, what does my asshole have to do with psychology?
you. You should read Freud. What's your relationship like with your father?
Well, he's dead now, so, you know, we argue a lot less.
Mike, this is, you know, it doesn't matter what his name is, we just call him Foreman.
Private art form. Because there used to be one.
Okay. Let me finish this.
Then I reprogrammed their entire computer system. Doubled their productivity, made half their management level redundant.
Maybe you could share your story with me.
I want you to sprint to the edge of this building. If you stop before I tell you to stop, you fail. You slow down, you fail. If you take this off, you fail.
And if you let me run off the edge and fall to my death, do I fail?
You do.
Just like you go across New Jersey.
Meron bang horse riding na malapit dito? Ang bata.
I haven't been I don't like it. They smell bad.
The horse?
Yeah.
No? My kids like it.
Wala naman siya kaso.
We are more, adventurous.
7. Ow!
My kids like adventure.
Finish the numbers?
No, I like the horses. I don't like it because they smell.
Really?
No, really. And I have problems with smell.
Oh. It's nice for you.
Damn it! It's about trust, right?
The guy in the hoodie is about to take a swing. So what you doing now?
Well, I should have been talking to his girlfriend first time.
This is your new like you. Okay.
Bago mo na lahat.
Where are you from?
Boston, Massachusetts.
Your accent, Mikey.
Boston, Massachusetts. Okay, park the car.
Go!
Okay. Magbabay ka na sa vlog ko.
Word to my father. I let you go.
Lumapit ka.
Bye-bye!
Isa na po kayo? Ah, okay na?